Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Android Studio for app development environment, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Android Studio for app development, first, visit the official Android Studio website. Once there, locate the download section. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. Click the download button to start the download process. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation. For Windows, you may need to accept the license agreement. Choose the installation type. A standard installation is recommended for most users. Select the components you wish to install, making sure to include the Android SDK, Android Virtual Device, and the latest Android SDK platform. Click the Next button to continue. Choose your installation location, then click Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, launch Android Studio. Upon first launch, you may receive a prompt to import settings. Choose No for a fresh setup. After that, the setup wizard will start. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed. The wizard will download the required SDK components, so ensure you have a stable internet connection. Once all components are downloaded, click Finish to complete the setup. Now, you'll be prompted to create a new project or open an existing one. Select the option to create a new project. Choose your project template based on your app's requirements. Fill in the necessary fields such as project name, package name, and save location. Set the minimum SDK version your app will support. After filling in the details, click Finish to create your project. Android Studio will build your project and open the main development environment. Now, you are ready to start developing your Android application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.